Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add fonts to Cricut Design Space, and it's so easy. As you can see, the Cricut Design Space is open in my case, but to install the font, what we need to do, first of all we need to completely close the software. Click on quit. Once you close the software, it's time to install the font. So for that, just open your file manager and locate to the space where you have downloaded the file. So the font file is in this sample data folder in my case, and yeah, this is the font which I'm going to install. So first of all we need to extract the file if it is zip file in your case. So hit right click, click on extract all, and just click on extract, and the file would be extracted here. This is the one here. So just open it, and this is the font which we're gonna install, and the file type of the font is true type font. So it would be open type font in a case, or OTF, TTF, whatever, you can just install that too. So to install the font, just double click on it, click on install, and yeah, that's it, the font is installed. So just close this for now, close the file manager too, and just open Cricut Design Space. Just for the instance, just click on new project, click on text in order to add text here. I'll just name this text something like sample. Now in order to get the font which we have installed, for that just select the text by hitting Ctrl+A. Once you select that, in the font we need to expand this drop down, and right here you have two options. Either you can go with Cricut fonts or system fonts. The font which we have installed is in the system one, so that's the reason why we need to click on system. And right here we can just search the name of the font which we have installed. The name of the font was Anton. Yep, that's it. So you can just click on that and the font would be applied here. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can install or add fonts to your Cricut Design Space. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.